Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you and show you a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 selfie mode tutorial. These will be the easiest instructions, so let's get right into the video. Now, before I start the video, I just want to recap that intro because it didn't fully make sense. I was supposed to say, I'm here today to talk to you about and show you a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11, which is this instant camera right here, selfie mode tutorial, the easiest instructions. Let's get right into the video, okay? So I just wanted to correct my grammar. I'm a full-time elementary school teacher, believe it or not. Even with a channel this size, I still teach full-time. I do enjoy the job substantially. I love it, and basically I make sure to hopefully use correct grammar whenever I can, okay? So here's the selfie mode tutorial. First and foremost, you want to turn the camera on, okay? So I'm going to pop the lens out and push this, and that turns it on, okay? So when you push this button, it pops the lens out and that turns it on. There's no film in here, just so you know. Now, essentially, when you want to use selfie mode, you have to pull this part of the lens out. Don't pull the whole lens out, okay? You just want to pull the front cap out right here. So you can see right here, okay? I'm going to make sure it's all the way out. I press the button again so the lens is all the way out. Just the front cap, pop it out like that. That was a little bit, maybe a little bit too aggressive, but it worked, okay? And essentially, as you can see right here, it says selfie on. So I'll show you once again. Let's close that up, okay? We're going to open up the lens by pressing this button, which also turns it on. I'm going to take the front lens, pop it out like that. That's a little bit more realistic. You don't want to yank it out, okay? And it says selfie on, as you can see over there, selfie on. Now, to take your selfie, essentially, you're going to aim the camera at your face, and there's a mirror right here that shows you the composure of the video, of the picture. I'm saying video because I'm looking at the composure of my video through this, as like, this is showing my camera. That's why I said that. But anyways, when you're ready, you're going to press and hold down the shutter button. But you want to make sure, and the shutter button is over here, just so you know, okay? You want to make sure that your face is about between 12 and 20 inches away from the camera. So this is probably about 18 inches away from the camera, give or take. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold the shutter button, but I'm going to hold the camera with two hands, and I'm going to make sure that my fingers, excuse me, I just finished my lunch. I'm having some indigestion right now. I need to have some water. So I'll have some water between this video and the next video. But as you can see, I'm filming this on my lunch break. So I literally just finished eating my lunch, scarfing it down, and I'm filming this video along with many others that you're gonna see. But you wanna avoid placing your finger over those sensors, over this flash, over the viewfinder, over the lens, over anything really. Just kind of hold it with two hands, stand about 12 to 20 inches away, press and hold down the shutter button, say cheese. Perfect. And there's no film in here, like I said, and you will have taken a selfie. Now, what that does when you pull out that lens is it sort of allows the camera to focus in on a sort of closer object, which is why you're going to be 12 to 20 inches away. If you end up being, 3 feet away from the camera, then, it's not going to focus well. So you need to be about that 12 to 20 inches away from the camera, and you're going to get the best possible results. And I want to laugh when I say cheese, because right now, at the time of filming this, I have four young kids. I have a 5-year-old, I have an almost 4-year-old, and I have twins that are 14 months. And they're just at the stage now, 14 months, the twins, the baby girls, that Claire and Kate are their names. Claire is twin A, the older one, by 1 minute. Kate is twin B, the younger one, by 1 minute. Anyways, without giving away too much information, they're at the stage where I'm like, say cheese, she's, and they're just, she's. It's hilarious. It's just, it makes me smile as a parent. So that's why, as I said, cheese, it's probably hard for me to hold back my smile and hard for me to hold back my tears right now, but it is what it is. I cry all the time as a parent. It's just, you're so happy that you end up crying. It's tears of joy. Anyways, with that being said, so I do all these videos, not for me, for them. Of course, yeah, for me too, the vanity of them and the fulfillment, of course, a little bit, and for you, the audience, but at the end of the day, it's for the kids, what the rewards that I get, they're, at the end of the day, it's for my family. So anyways, with that aside, I'm getting into too much off topic here. With that aside, that is a selfie mode tutorial for the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11, which is this camera right here, instant camera, how to take a selfie with it. When you're done, you could just close the lens. And if you're in selfie mode and you want to go back to regular mode, you have to close the lens fully and then open it again, and you'll be back in regular mode. And then you can, once again, go to selfie mode if you want. So that is basically it for this tutorial. If you like this video tutorial / demonstration / explanation, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And sorry, before I finish, if you look at my glasses right here, okay, look at how Oh my gosh, like they're actually in horrible shape. I've had these glasses, I realized, for 5 years. And although I do wear contacts many days, the glasses, when I do wear them, they're in horrible shape. I literally am going to make a note to contact my eye doctor, he's also my neighbor. He lives like 2 streets away from me, because I need new glasses. I just noticed right now. I knew they were bad, but wowzers, look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, so anyways, I really went off on a tangent, but hopefully you enjoyed the little storytelling as well as the instant camera tutorial. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, demonstration / explanation, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.